What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the Von, putting work, Burke. And today we got a special video. Okay, we got an unboxing of the new Mac Air. All right, so definitely just. We're gonna do a little unboxing all the way straight from the box itself. You know what I'm saying? Like the delivery box. You know what I mean? Like the delivery box. We're gonna unbox it. So it came with other stuff. It didn't just come like this, okay? It came with other stuff, but we ain't gonna do all that. I mean, this is dun 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 dun. This is the Macbook Pro. Can you see that? Can you see how pretty that box is? Can you see that? You know what I'm saying? No pause at all. Because a lot of box, you know what I mean? You already know what I mean. But, that's the MacBook Pro right there. Box, it comes nice and pretty. All right. Okay. They even have like tabs where you can just pull the tape off. You know what I'm saying? Pull the tape off like that. You ain't gotta do like a knife or nothing like that. You just boom, easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 easy. You know what I'm saying? So what's good, well builders? I know it's a different video, a little off the cuff. You know what I'm saying? So just want to talk about a few things while we unbox this MacBook Air. I keep want to say Pro, but I didn't buy the Pro. We got the Air. Okay. Just want to say thank you for everybody that subscribed to the channel. Thank you for making this possible. Thank you for downloading your free guide to passive income. I got a lot of things coming, okay? We got free training with cryptocurrency. We're going to focus a lot more on cryptocurrency with the wealth builders because that's the wave of the future. Also, I'm focused on a new channel, Wealth Builders TV Part 2 is probably going to change the Wealth Builders Real Estate because it's going to be focusing on real estate, property management, and also I'm going to be getting my what do they call that? Notary. I'm getting my notary license, so we're definitely going to be showing the process of the notary license, from the beginning to the end. Okay, I'm studying real estate right now, so I definitely will get my real estate license soon, so I can start my real estate property management business. Because in Georgia, to be a property manager, you need to have a real estate license. So remember that. If you are in Georgia, a lot of states have those regulations. So depending on what state you are in, you can definitely figure out how to become a property manager. We're going to definitely show the beginning stages of all that in the between stages until it blows up. You know what I mean? So we're definitely going to have a lot of content on the channel. And I'm going to stay with this content on this channel, the business, the shorts, the breakdown of online businesses that I run, the back end. We're gonna have more back end videos. We'll have more. I got a lot of things coming with this new MacBook Air. Okay, if you want to buy yourself a MacBook Air, there's a link in the description. Yes, I do get a commission if you do purchase through my link. Okay, it will be directly to Amazon. Okay, so with that being said, check this. Let's get into the MacBook Air a little bit. It's kind of hard to open, but yeah. Boom. There we are. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Woo. Apple, man, they definitely know how to make things pretty. Okay. So let's put it like this. You know. Yeah. So there we go. Just keep the view. Want to keep y'all in tune with the view. Right, ooh, yeah, so you definitely, boom, nice cover to it. I definitely will have a authentic cover. My covers, I'm waiting for my cover to come, actually, okay. We're definitely gonna have an authentic cover for it. The Apple Book cover, Apple Air. Boom, pretty, right? Huh. There goes your connector for it, okay, USB connector. We got a little book in here. Okay, designed by Apple in California. So I guess all the the tips and tricks and everything we need is in here. Okay, we got warranties on this bad boy, so definitely just in case it happen. Oh yeah, my wife got one too, just to keep that all the way live. This is the charger for it. So yeah, that's exactly what you get with the MacBook Air. You don't get any mouse or anything. I bought my wife a mouse. I'm not really a mouse guy. I can use the little pad. Okay, so let's put this down. Okay. So boom. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna be vlogging my next tattoo. I'll be getting the next tattoo. Actually, I'm thinking about getting something like this Superman on my wrist right here. So that's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna vlog that. But yeah. Yeah, I told you I'm definitely about content this year. More content, more content, more content, more lifestyle content, all that good stuff. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Nice and pretty. Ooh. You heard that? You heard that, how that sound when you open it? That's the paper right there. You know what I'm saying? So, boom. That's what it looks like. It's loading up right now. Keep it real. It's loading up right. Ooh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. Okay, select your language. English. You know what I mean? That's what I speak. English. Yeah.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Boom. Select your country or region. United States. Okay. So then you step up here, then it says accessibility features adapt your Mac to your individual needs. You can turn them on now to help you finish setting up and further customize them later. And system preferences, see what's available in each of the categories, below. Okay, so you got vision, motor, hearing, cognitive. Okay, I'm gonna do not now. I'm not sure exactly what I want. Then you select your Wi-Fi and all that good stuff, man. So this is pretty much how you go about getting this popping. Okay, so this is a nice. This is nice. Okay, this is very, very nice. So yeah, we're gonna definitely get into this. You know, this pretty Apple laptop. Now, I mean, if you want one, if you're looking to purchase one, the link is in the description. Okay, also, there's a link for the Wealth Builders Guide to Passive Income. Also, there's a link for free training on cryptocurrency. If you need to build your credit with the Wealth Builders, if you need to do that, there's a link in the description for that also. Okay, I got a lot of things coming in the next year. We're gonna change the intro. we're gonna upgrade the Wealth Builders extensively this year. You know what I'm saying? So it's a big year coming. So I do it every May because obviously, if you didn't know, my birthday is in May. So every May I change things around. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. All links in the description. Until next time, Wealth Builders, it's the man, it's the myth, Devon Puddin' Work Burke, signing off for my unboxing of a MacBook Air. Do remember, Wealth Builders? Make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.